What's going on, guys? My name is Devin and I love to meal prep. For this week's meal prep, the highlight is going to be some chicken ranch wraps going alongside with some pasta salad. I got this recipe off of Pinterest. I'm going to leave the directions and the ingredients on how to make this in the description below, so make sure you go ahead and check it out. Let's go ahead and get started. So on the recipe does call for broccoli florets. I couldn't find any broccoli florets at the grocery store. That's no problem. Just go ahead and buy a regular head of broccoli. What you want to do is you want to cut off most of the stem as you possibly can. Once you've done that, make sure you put the head, the crown of the broccoli on top of the cutting board, and you just want to cut it down to just little pieces. You don't want really thick chunks when you're eating the pasta salad. Once you sliced up all your other ingredients, you want to go ahead and add them to a bowl. So I have some pepperoni slices. This step is optional for you as well. If you're vegan or vegetarian, you can, swap it for something else. Add some more greens to it. The more the merrier, honestly. Add the broccoli, add the cucumbers, the green peppers. The recipe does call for red peppers, but I decided that green peppers probably would taste better, and I wanted to put them in the wraps as well. Once you've done all your ingredients and put them into a bowl, put some aluminum foil over it, throw it in the fridge, let it refrigerate. The next step for making the pasta, I follow the recipe on the box. I use some Veggie tricolor rotini. Cook it for about 7 minutes. Make sure the water is boiling. You want it to be al dente. Al dente is just firm to the chew. Once you've done that, you want to go ahead and add it to the bowl that you had refrigerating. Now this step is optional. If you want to eat it right now, make sure that you put the pasta under some cold water, so that way it's a little bit more cold as well, going alongside with the veggies. If not, you can just go ahead and mix it on in. Once you mixed it in, just go ahead and stir it around a few times. You want to make sure you get all the veggies evenly around, and then after that you're gonna coat it with some Italian dressing. So what I did is I poured about a quarter of it, stirred it up again, put another quarter in it, stirred it up again. Just want to make sure that all the veggies are, everything in the pasta salad is getting an even coat of the Italian dressing. Once you've done that, finish it off with a little bit of some crushed black pepper, optional for you as well, and put it in the refrigerator. Let it refrigerate for about 4 hours until you get ready to serve it again. For making the wraps, here's my technique. Take a little bit of the ranch sauce, put the ranch sauce right there in the middle of the wrap, use a spoon, spread it around evenly, and then all your ingredients, put them on one side of the wrap. The technique, it goes like this. Fold it and tuck it really tightly as you continue to do it. That way, once you get ready to cut it and you're done folding it, the wraps won't untangle. You don't have to use toothpicks or any of those type of food strings. And if you follow the recipe, it's going to look a little something like this. Simple, clean, good dieting. It's going to run you about 12 to 15 bucks to feed yourself for the whole entire week. Think about that the next time you're at a drive-thru. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, I ask that you do so now. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, drop a comment, and I'll be back with more. Peace.